In the world of woodworking and construction, DeWalt's 12-inch sliding miter saws are absolute legends. But if you look at the catalog, the DWS779 and the DWS780 look almost identical, yet their price tags tell a different story. Today, we're going to break down the real differences between these two powerhouses and help you decide which one deserves a spot on your workbench. First, let's talk about the DeWalt DWS779. This saw is the bang-for-your-buck champion. It features a powerful 15-amp motor pushing 3,800 revolutions per minute, giving you the exact same cutting capacity and raw power as the more expensive models. It's built like a tank and handles heavy-duty crosscuts through thick hardwoods with ease. DeWalt DWS779 Pros. Affordability. You get professional-grade DeWalt power at a much lower price point. Identical build. The rails, motor, and base are essentially the same as the premium model. Durability. It's a workhorse designed to survive years of abuse on a job site. DeWalt DWS779 Cons. No cut line indicator. It lacks a laser or shadow light, so you have to manually line up your blade with your marks. Weight. It's a heavy beast, making it a bit of a workout to move around frequently. Now, let's look at the premium brother, the DeWalt DWS780. This is the gold standard for professional finish carpenters. The biggest game changer here is the XPS LED shadow light system. It casts a physical shadow of the blade onto your workpiece, showing you exactly where the teeth will land. Unlike lasers, it never needs calibration. It's also a few pounds lighter and typically comes with a dust bag included. DeWalt DWS780 Pros. XPS System. Provides 100% accuracy every single time, regardless of the bevel angle or blade thickness. Improved portability. It's roughly 3 to 5 pounds lighter, which your back will thank you for on the job site. Dust collection. Generally comes with a better dust bag and management system out of the box. DeWalt DWS780 Cons. High price. You are paying a significant premium for the lighting system and slight weight reduction. So, which one should you pick? Choose the DeWalt DWS779 if you are a DIYer or a woodworker on a budget. If you don't mind lining up your cuts manually, you're getting the same cutting performance for a lot less money. Go for the DeWalt DWS780 if you are a full-time professional. If your livelihood depends on making hundreds of perfect cuts a day, that XPS shadow light will save you time, reduce mistakes, and pay for itself in no time. Both of these saws are incredibly tough and will likely be the last miter saw you ever buy. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tool comparisons. See you in the next one.